Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Redmi 15. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, and when it's not frozen or lagged. So first we need to open up the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now simply drag this white ball into the reboot. Now release your finger, and then your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and after a few seconds it will be ready to use. Now let's go straight into the second method, which is called the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when the device is frozen, lagged, when it's unresponsive, and we do it by holding the power button. So keep holding. Okay, and when the phone vibrates and when the logo appears, we can release our finger, and just like in the previous method, we need to wait a few seconds until our device will be turned on. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.